Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul. With me is Chef Amy.
Hi.
Feeling a little bit better today. My looks and feels better. Not 100%, but we're getting there. So today I'm going to be making some grilled chicken in the form of Hawaiian with some sauerkraut. We don't need to film that part, but we do need to film the sauce. And what kind of sauce are we making, Amy? She doesn't know because I haven't told her yet. We're going to make some Hawaiian BBQ sauce. It's going to be really, really good. So first of all, I've got a can of crushed pineapple. It's going to be really, really tasty.
Yeah, it is.
And I'm going to dump this right into my blender. Now we got some other things we're going to worry about. Now I'm sure I have enough to open this. I had to run out and get this today, and I absolutely looked for other ways to do this. And to be honest with you, it's not really possible unless you want to make ketchup by scratch. And in this case, I don't. I'm going to tell you exactly why. Because it gets expensive. And this has a little bit more of a cost value to it anyways. And we use French, we don't use Heinz. I'm going to tell you why. Heinz decided to get rid of a lot of production plants in Canada to go to Mexico because they thought it was going to save them money. Jokes on them, they lost money because most Canadians rather use French right now because you're taking our jobs away for no real reason. So, you know what? We'll go with French's because they're honorable to Canada. So this is French's, no sugar added. And there is a difference, guys. No sugar added is a whole lot better. So we're going to use about a half a cup. If you're going to use ketchup, get to no sugar. It's way better for you. They actually now even have a lower sodium count, but that one has sugar, and I'd rather deal with sodium than that. So now, provided we have some date sauce, which we may not.
We do.
I'm going to add 2 dates in. Actually, no, I'm going to put 4 in. This will give it some natural sweetness. Give it a little texture here. And then this is cornstarch, and I'm going to add 1 spoonful of it. Just to get a little, as a thickening agent, right?
Yeah.
We don't want it terribly thick, but we do want it some thickness. And then I'm using ABC sweet soy sauce.
Which is really good.
It's amazingly good. And it's low sodium. So, I mean, you can't go wrong there. I'm going to put in some Worcestershire sauce. And still, I know you're going to kill me for that one. Because I know I said that wrong. Sorry. And then I'm going to try to add just a drip of liquid smoke because, well, I kind of want to have a little bit of smoky flavor.
But not too much.
Yeah, you never want to put too much of this in because this is going to cause you a lot of problems.
It'll be gross if you do.
And I'm going to use some garlic hoisin sauce. And then a little bit of cooking sweet wine called mirin. Love mirin. Now for some spice. I'm going to put some chipotle chili pepper. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of this in here. Want to have a little bit of bite, but we just don't want to go nuclear. Now, Terho for you, buddy, you can use anything you want to make it hot. Smoked paprika, because Hawaiian food is typically pretty hot. That's about 2 tablespoons of that. And last of all, but not least, a tablespoon of turmeric. This helps arthritis a lot. And
No pepper.
No pepper. Not needed. I'm going to take this over to my stand, lock it in, turn the power on, and we're going to go to some. And this looks good to me.
Yeah, it looks really good.
If you're looking for a barbecue sauce and it has to, and your recipe requires ketchup, it's important to use the right stuff. And the right stuff being no sugar added. We use dates because that's more of a natural sugar, so that will work really well.
Yeah.
And yeah, I gave Amy a little bit of stuff to do. I'm going to turn the heat on to 5. And all we really want to do is we just want to basically
Heat it up a
heat
bit.
it up until it's getting to the boiling point, take it off, let it cool, and put it in containers. This is going to be nice, sweet, tangy sauce.
Yeah.
If you want, you can add garlic to it. You can add some ginger to it. Add some more spices, whatever you like. This is your sauce. You do want the pineapple because the pineapple really gives it the Hawaiian. Without it, then it's kind of...
It's not Hawaiian.
It just doesn't taste right.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is amazing. Now, a lot of people are going to sit there and tell you that you need to have... you need to put sugar in there, and I know people put brown sugar in it. That's fine. If you want to do that, that's totally up to you. I don't think you need to.
No.
I think it's kind of a waste. You really don't need to do it. This to me tastes sweet enough. The pineapple has sweetness to it. We added some dates. That has it. The honey hoisin sauce, the sweet soy sauce has some. Even the mirin actually gives a little bit of sweetness to it. So you really don't need to add. I would encourage people to, I strongly recommend people to start using dates. Just stick some dates and process it into your food. It's got a lot of natural sugars to it, and it's better for you.
Yeah.
Now Amy can be thankful because it's very limited on how many dishes I gave her to do. But before we let you go, we're going to wait a little bit here. But I want you to hit that like, share, subscribe button because it really does help out. It helps out a lot. Because the more people hit that like and share button, the more people see it. The more people see it, there might be somebody who's been looking for that recipe that has less sodium, that has less sugar, and it might make the difference for them. It might make their diet better for them so they can enjoy to eat again and not have to worry about diabetes or something else. This should be IBS friendly, and it's good for them. So the more you hit that like and share, it really does help out. We're not going to get monetized for this. In my region, YouTube won't monetize us. If you like to donate to us, reach out. I'd be happy to accept money because it helps us film. It does help. But that's fine, right? But I'm not doing this to get rich because I'm not going to. I don't do this to become an influencer. I have a job. Amy has a job. We don't make money on this, so please don't take it that way. But I really want to help everybody. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. It's all about making cooking great again. You might have to get some pineapple. These sauces, you can change the different things if you want, but you don't have to. You can use whatever you want. This is my version of it, and I'm trying to use the stuff that contains less sodium. Soy sauce is nasty for it, but if you get this particular brand, it's very low. And I like soy sauce in my rice. I like soy sauce in some of my recipes, but I'm not willing to put it in just for the sake of getting myself into putting sodium in things that caused my blood pressure to go up. I'm married, so believe me, I have that issue as it is.
No.
And that started bubbling, so that's done. So all we're going to do now is we're going to let that cool down, and we're going to put that in containers, put that right in the fridge. Amy's so super excited that you guys have been so awesome to us lately with your shares. Amy decided she's going to do one jumping jack for us. We really appreciate it. Thanks, Amy. What did we say?
Have a good day.
Thanks a lot, guys. Hit that like, share, subscribe.